last week's sweet treat, we made raspberry thumbprint cookies, and Daddy said that they were a 7 out of 10 because of their unfortunate glazed appearance. So what are we going to make this week instead?
A chocolate chip.
Well, close. We're going to make raspberry white chocolate cookies as this week's cookie of the week. 140 grams of butter. How much is that?
Put butter here.
Okay.
Starving for butter. In my mouth.
You need some butter in your mouth. Ready?
It tastes good. Camera. Who is the fairest of all?
Is it you?
Nah.
Nah. We need 165 grams of brown sugar. I'm talking 80 grams of white sugar.
It's polar bear sugar.
Oh, polar bear sugar. Yep.
Crack the egg.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. In the honey. A little bit of vanilla.
Yeah.
We've got flour, baking soda, and salt. Milky bar.
I want it.
Very expensive. There you go.
Have you got your fingers out?
I do have my fingers out of the way, good boy. Chocolate. Look at that. I am going to go pop those into the fridge for a couple of hours. We're going to bake them and then take them on a picnic. So good.